I'm going to quickly show my analysis on GBPUSD. Okay, so we are currently on a daily time frame. We're currently on a daily time frame, so we'll be going down a lower time frames to see how the price is shaping up. Okay, so when you go to the 4-hour time frame, when you go to a 4-hour time frame, we're having this breakout structure over here and here. So the recent swing low, this one becomes our inducement. So the inducement was taken out, we tap to our 4-hour supply zone. So from here we expect the price to push again to the upside. But we have to know that we still have this supply zone that might push the price again to the downside. So we need to be aware of that. So once you have this supply zone and this demand zone which has been tapped, we go to our lowest time frame. We see what we have within this area over here. So we go to the 4-hour time frame. Now on the 4-hour time frame, we also have a choke over here. We are having a choke, then we are having a boss and another boss. So the recent low is once we broke this boss, so this one becomes our inducement. We had a liquidity trend line over here, which I did not draw. This was the liquidity trend line. And then we had a decisional POI in this area because we already have the inducement. So this one was a decisional POI which failed. Then we tapped the extreme demand zone. Okay. Once we tap the extreme demand zone, we anticipate the price to push all the way to this 1-hour supply zone over here. So we'll see reaction on this supply zone if it will drop the downside or it will continue pushing to the upside. Yeah, continue pushing to the upside. Now, once we have this on 1-hour time frame, we go down to a 30-minute time frame. Okay, on a 30-minute time frame, we had a break over here. Okay, this one, I can say this one is like a choke on the downside. Then, but when we broke this this previous, you can see this area over here was the recent low. Okay, so we took out this low, which on 1H was the inducement. Then once we took that low, we expect the price to continue pushing to the downside. Okay, so you can see we have a lot of imbalance in this area. So we anticipate the price to continue pushing up to this 30-minute supply zone over here to see the reaction, whether we'll continue to the 1-hour supply zone or even the 4-hour supply zone, or we'll have another drop again to the downside. Okay, so with that in mind, we are having now our recent swing low over here and the recent swing high, which was taken out. You can see this higher low was taken out from this area, giving us a choke. Once we got this choke, we had another boss. So the recent swing low is this one, which gave us inducement. From the inducement, we look for a POI. So we have a decisional POI in this region. This was a decisional POI, of which, if I'm to, let me just see if it was broken. The decisional POI is here. So this decisional POI has not yet been broken, but I'm anticipating this decisional POI to be broken so that we tap this 30 minutes demand zone for another push to the upside. Okay, so depending with the time frame that you're looking at, you need to have a target within that time frame most of the time. Okay, especially if you're entering with small lot sizes, you need to secure your profits. Okay, so if you have enough account sizes, like enough lot size, you can either enter from this level. Okay, if you have a small account, your target might be maybe here. There isn't high because you expect this high to be broken because this one is the buy side liquidity, but the overall target will be this one. Okay, this one is for low account and for lower time frame. Okay, if you have a small account, this target is enough for you. But if you have a big account, whenever we tap that area, you can secure some profits